everyone, this is Stream Beauty back here. I'm coming to y'all with a video, a quick video. I'm getting ready to go to work this morning after Easter. Everybody's sleeping but me. So I'm getting ready to get started. I'm getting ready to do my eye look, and then I just do my foundation and everything off and come back to y'all guys. But today I'm just gonna come to y'all with an eye look, okay? All right. I ain't gonna be doing too much of talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this done. Like y'all ain't even here. So, let's see. I'm gonna use this yellow color called what is it? O-R-O. I can't say this name by Juvia's, but y'all. I'll put the names of them in the description box below. You just use the color and just build it up. Don't use a lot at first. I'm gonna put it all the way like to my brow bone. But it's not really that a dark color. This is like, I start this off as my transition. Then I'm gonna go into this color right here. Right now. I'm using the palette right here. It's called Zulu by Juvia. Now this palette don't have any names on them. And they do got a lot of sparkle. It looks like they got a lot of sparkle stuff. Like it's real, yeah, like glittering. So I'm gonna put this in my crease. I'm gonna mess it up. Cause you don't want it to look muddy. See how the color's building up? And I always do like this around. Try to make sure it's blended very well. Okay. Then let's try this red from the Festival by Juvia's, and it's called Zafa. It's right there. I don't know if I'm saying these names right, but build up this crease. I think I'm going off what I got on today, y'all. I'm using the same brand blush there, you know, kind of wipe it off. And sometimes I don't. mirror. I need a mirror. I hope I'm close enough. I need one of the cameras that I can automatically put closer because I have to get up and put it closer. Okay. Now I might take this color right here. Y'all, I'm going off the dome. Going right here. Let me try this. Okay. I got these brushes right here from TJ Maxx. Well, no. It was Ross. I think I paid like, let's see. It's these two brushes. Where is the brushes? Oh, these two brushes right here I got from them. They're pretty good. I got these from, it's called Daisy. I'll put it in the bottom of the description box. Yeah. It's called Soft Touch. It's dual eye brush. It's got this on the back. And it's got this. And it came in this box. And I think I paid like $2.99 for them. For two of them. It wasn't bad. So I'm getting ready to try this brush. And put it this right here. Ooh, I like it. Just take your time and pat this stuff on now. And also, y'all, if y'all want to know where to get this, it's called Beauty Bill. I'll put this in the description box below. It really helps me out to cover up my clothes, and the powder and all the stuff is flowing everywhere. It won't get on your clothes. So, yeah, and it saves you time. You don't have to not wear your shirt or whatever. You can just have it on. Yeah. I know y'all probably saw it in a couple of my videos, but I didn't put it in the description box, but I will do it this time. Yeah, we had an awesome time yesterday at my daughter's house with the kids, with the Easter egg hunt and all that for Easter. And the main important day that, you know, thing about Easter is that Jesus risen, the resurrection day. And I love it because he is my Lord and Savior. And just to spend time with family and friends, you know, it was awesome yesterday. But I did do a little bit of vlogging, so I'm gonna try this on my channel. So if y'all guys wanna see that, you know, when I put this video up, I will put it up, put the vlog up. I hope I get some response from it, but if not, I still put it up for y'all guys and see. This is gonna be just a simple look that I came up with. Add some more color. Let me show you this. I'm gonna use my finger this time. I feel like the finger packs it on better than the brush to me. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Y'all get excited when my makeup goes right. Yes, auntie. Yes. Okay, I just wanted to jump on here this morning and show y'all this eye look. Cause I'll be leaving for work soon. I think it looks good. And I always take my concealer. by LA Girl Toffee, and I always like clean it up right here. Some people use you know, their makeup wipes and clean it up, but I always use my concealer and just blend it in to my under my eyes, to my skin. You know what I'm trying to say. Now let's take this edge brush right here. This wood, I love this brush, but I don't know where I got it from, but I'm using it up. Okay, that's it, and I will do a liner today. I can find it. Oh, there it is. I got this out of my Ipsy bag. It's called Fierce. What was it? Flicks? I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, Fierce Flicks. I think you can try to see. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this over my eye. Y'all, I'm not good at drawing. I'm doing tight line, y'all. Get a shader brush, y'all. I'm gonna try to put this over. It's a black, what's called Kaliki. I'll just take it and go over what I just did. Okay. Put my mascara on. These, I got this out of, I think this came out of my, what was it that I got? Where did I get this from? Can't remember. BoxyCharm. Had a brain fart, y'all. It was a double decker lashes. It's thick, but it does do the job. I just don't put that much on there. I just do like probably a couple of coats, just to get my eyelashes up a little bit before I put my lashes on. Gotta clean them up. Okay. What did I wear yesterday? And I got these lashes right here. I think I'm wearing classic 3D false links. My lash, I got these from Marshalls for $5.99. And this is what I'm going to put on today. And I'm gonna use the super stronghold eyelash adhesive. Everybody uses this. You can use any adhesive that you want, and you just put it on there, let it sit for 30 seconds. I usually time it. Mainly try to get the ends, because that's what lifts first. The ends. If you get the ends on, you're good. $30 seconds. So I'm gonna put my timer on. Put my timer. Ooh. Timer. 30 seconds. Stop. So, this is what you go through to put on makeup in the morning. 10. Okay, it should be ready. Let's go. I don't know how people do the mirror thing. I have to do it this way. And try to get closest to your lash line as possible. And I usually let mine sit. And then I pinch it together. And I roll my eye. Some people don't do this, but I have to. See? I think they look good. They look more like natural. I got to finish putting them on. Let it dry a little bit. So y'all, I'm gonna go off cam, come back with my final face. Okay, everyone. This is the final look. All right, y'all. I'm out. This is Stream Beauty Factor. I like, share, and subscribe. This is Stream Beauty Factor. I'll talk to y'all in another video, and y'all have a great and blessed day.